All right, we're looking at writing function notation and solving some problems. So you have Miss Diamond who volunteers at a shelter in her spare time, and she's looking to donate money to a shelter to have an extravagant Thanksgiving meal. And she's making sourdough bread to sell. So she's starting with $25 to donate, and then she's going to sell her homemade sourdough bread for $15 a loaf. So we're given the information that the X value is the number of sourdough loaves that she's selling, and then our F of X, which is our total amount of money that she's donating to the shelter. So the first thing I'm going to do is write an equation that's representing of that situation. So if we know the X is our number of loaves, and then we know that our total amount that she's donating is our F of X, just write that. Y is also usually just interchangeable with F of X. So as you talk about functions, it's the same thing as Y. And so that's the total money made or donated in this problem. So the couple pieces of information that we have there is that she starts with $25, which is our Y-intercept. And then we also have $15 per loaf. So we're going to start off by writing the equation here. So instead of normally we do y equals mx plus b, so we are going to start this off with f of x, which is the same thing as y. It's just written in function notation. So we have $15 per loaf, so that is our slope 15. And then x is our number of loaves that we are selling, which is right here. So we're going to put that next to it. And then our starting value, which is $25 as she currently has. Now, the next part of this question is asking me that if Miss Diamond makes 10 sourdough loaves, how much money would she make in order to donate? So if we know that there are 10 loaves of the sourdough, we're going to plug that in where X is in order to solve that to find out how much money would make to donate. So we would replace the F of X with F of 10 because we're looking for 10 loaves of bread that she's going to sell. And then we're also going to replace it over here. So here we're not actually doing anything. It's just a representation showing me how many loaves I'm selling for X. And then here we're going to actually do the math out. So we are going to do 15 times 10, which is 150, plus the $25 that she currently has. And so what this is saying is that if I sell 10 loaves of sourdough, I'm going to end up making and donating this amount right here, which is added together, or $175. If you'd like more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel, Algebra. Check these out under the function notation section.